guys, thanks for watching another video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But this video is just gonna be a basic ombre set with 3 colors though: light pink, dark pink, and dark green. Clearly, as it's gonna be seen here. This set is gonna be the background to my second Fairlyodd parent set, which I originally saw on Pinterest. I'm gonna put the I'm gonna put the link and stuff of the picture down below in the description box. So if y'all wanna check it out, y'all can. But yeah, that's really it. I don't have much to say for this video. Oh, you know what? You know what? Actually, I'm always stuttering. But what I'm gonna do is review this hand. The trainer hand, I got it off of Amazon. It was only, I believe, $27, 26 something, but you know, taxes and everything. Oh, and plus delivery fees, I know. Um, I actually like this hand a lot. I like the way it moves and everything. It acts just like a regular person hand to me. Like, it's kind of stiff, which is I feel like it's good because like when you do real people nails, well, when you do a real hand, people never want to relax their hands. But yeah, only thing I dislike about the hand is like in order to really get the tips to stick on, you have to you gotta hold it on for like a whole minute or more. Like seriously, at first I tried it with like regular nail glue, which is do not do it, y'all. Please don't. You're gonna be there forever and a day. Then I bought crazy glue, and it still wasn't sticking. I even tried sticking it on with acrylic, y'all. Like that's how frustrated I was, and it didn't stick on with that either, by the way. But with the crazy glue, what I do is I put the crazy glue down on the finger. Well, after I file it and everything, I put the crazy glue down and I let it dry for a little bit, and then I take the brown nail off actually, and then I just hold the tip and the nail against my index and my thumb. Yeah, my index and my thumb, and I just press it down, and I hold it there for like a good 45 seconds, and voila, it sticks. But like it literally takes all that. You cannot just stick it on; it will fall right off. Um, hmm. What else can I say about this now? Nothing else bad. Well, one thing that I think could be better is like the packaging for the nails. They give you a bunch of the little brown nails that I'm practicing on right now. They give you a bunch of them, but they put all of the sizes in one bag. So you have small, medium, large, or whatever, all in one big bag. But other than that, I think it's cool. I think that if you're a beginner, even if you're not a beginner, but especially if you're trying to like build your portfolio or something, definitely invest into this hand because like you don't want to wait around for hand model, hand models or you know whatever the case may be, or only waiting for your customers and then they're not even getting the type of nails that you want to do. You know, so just get this so you can practice on. Um, Other than that, yeah, this hand is perfect. Going through some things. It's my song, y'all. I was the one coming through. Why didn't you believe in us? How come you just couldn't love? It wasn't that you didn't care. You just wasn't good enough. How you gonna up and leave like that? When I gave you all I had. I gave you the real me. Told you all my feelings. And you gonna turn around and front like you don't feel me. I put that on my life that I ain't seen it coming. Opened up my heart, I should've never let you come in. But I wish you well though, that's all I can tell you. Maybe in your next life you'll find everything you wanted. I'm sorry, y'all, all the noise, but I'm at work. So, yeah. Yeah, I probably like, how do you even have the time to edit and at work? I'm a security guard. I just sit here. Don't y'all hate when, like, you at somebody's house or something? I don't know. You with somebody and they play music, but it's never the original song. It's only the remixes. Yes, that's me. I play all the remixes, y'all. Oh, and if you are watching my videos and stuff, comment. Let me know what y'all would like to see. Like, you know. I have like two other videos I gotta edit tonight. About to get it popping in here tonight. I'm sorry, I got too loud. Sorry. Oh, and soon I'll be teaching my little sister how to do nails. She said that she wants to learn so that by the time she's a teenager, she could be a professional. Just melts my heart. But I'll definitely be recording that too, so y'all can see her progress, you know? Commercials and everything, y'all.